What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm on a special assignment with my brother. We're down here at Edelbrock getting some footage for him, and we're talking all things automotive and carburetors and things like that. But listen, I came prepared. I got a journey I'm still on. I'm trying to be low carb, keto, all that good stuff. But I came prepared, and I brought some food with me. I'm going to show you how I heat it up and how I eat it. But hey, y'all come along for this little journey. This is pretty neat. Behind the scenes look at how things work here at the Edelbrock company. They've gave us the red carpet today and let us come into the factory. This is as blue collar as it gets. So stick around and see what we get into. So what do you do when you make a plan to stay on your keto and your plans all of a sudden change? Stick around and we're going to see what happened yesterday at Edelbrock. So I just pulled these meatloaf muffins and some Spam fingers out of the freezer. I'm going to share with my brother today at lunchtime, and we're going to hit the road. I'm here with Todd at Edelbrock. Tell him what you do, Todd.
Well, I'm the general manager for the East Coast. So basically the East Coast is comprised of Sandford, North Carolina, where we're at today, and Mooresville, North Carolina, where we have our race center, where we work real closely with Pat Busey and his race engine building team, and we build cylinder heads and crate engines there. Here in Sandford, we make carburetors, throttle bodies for fuel systems. We also make pumps and regulators, so a vast variety of products.
So here's where the plan changed. They invited us out to lunch, and of course we can't say no to that. A chance to sit and talk about hot rods some more. So we took off to this barn and still stayed focused. Had green beans, barbecue. Great place to eat, by the way. Ladies working on
throttle bodies.
Fuel injection throttle bodies, right?
Right.
How long have y'all been here?
I've been here 7 years.
Okay.
I just started working in this room maybe a year and a half now.
Okay.
I've been here for almost 3 years, and in this room, over there, and over here, all together, like about 2 years.
Okay. So what's your name?
Mandy Jones.
Mandy Jones, and what's your name?
Jackie McNair.
Okay. Say that again.
Jackie McNair.
Okay.
The hype one.
Original carburetor used to be across town.
Yeah.
Let's go make him ready.
Okay. So what I've done is, this is a little known tip. I put my lunch in the dash of the car. It's getting warmed up. And I'm gonna be eating that for lunch today, but it's all about planning ahead. While my brother's in there getting all that footage, I'm out here sneaking me a snack. Meatloaf warmed up on the dash. Let's take a break. No, that's good. It's all about planning. So I have to plan. See there, all you have to do is plan ahead and you can be successful. Yes, I didn't anticipate being invited out to eat for lunch, but still stayed low carb. Just got meat, green beans and things like that. So I had a plan in mind, but I did still eat my meatloaf because I like it a lot, and I had it for a snack later. But yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, may the Lord bless you and eat well